Now the NPP, they have made some statements. Hey, me offer send text, eh? Let offer finish the show. Tomorrow be holiday. Nobody sleeping. Hey. Offer see page ni block Kwaku Annan, you free page ni so. Blocking no. Hey. Offer see page ni block Kwaku Annan, you offer see free page ni so. Blocking makuma tobi ya maka fane kan. Blocking no. Who page ni catch say offer make offer finish the show. Tomorrow be holiday. We no go bed for here. Hey, offer see senior. Block Kwaku Annan, block it. You free page so. Pamunu free so. O blocking a message be or send be a delete. And say what uni mo bi kura wa send message a catch any person on blocking free page so. O fa so be gina page me ye show catch so e ma ofan we show na e be bloody. Wo be catch am say be bloody. Manchester ball one nti me ye den. Wo fa so me ye show o blame pai bo be boa me wo to catch go for say e be bloody go me page mu. Me group amate. Hey, over see page ni block Kwaku blocking on one time na me come nim. You need free page ni so. Who your friend ma me catch na me say next month. Sika bia beba ni nsem ya be Gyamfi ni nsem. Catch na me say no over say. Onko ni dem wo de woni ho bia ade bia msika obia mutisa. Me friend ma me friend me aminu aba me friend no. Of us page ni block no, you need free page ni both no. Of us so kwasiasem kwa na yo. Now, I was talking about a NPP Afo Akansemi, a Pentium 2 General Secretary. I say, and I'll speak the way he speaks. I'm going to show you how Pentium 2 speaks. So if I don't get the imitation right, minimum. Judges now live in fear and sometimes in panic. They give certain judgments which beats our mind and imagination. Pentium 2 General Secretary of the NPP, Justin Kodia Akasa, will say, judges now live in fear and sometimes in panic. They give certain judgments which beats our minds and imagination. Pentium 2 General Secretary Nekete Butuno. Yes, NPP for Kolanche, Omo manifesto, Omo amend bibi Omo manifesto, Ana Omo dem, Dabi Omo Eyi, Constitution. Now, Obi Amako amend mo Constitution, Ako yi nyome bi film, Edi Biake Kebimono. Omo anka ho asemo. Their biggest problem in Ghana today is Tokonuna ya pamo no. I just say Tokonuna ya pamo no. It said the Akufo Addo e party nim. Just say NPP for no, Mako Lanche at the forefront. Mona mo se mo party no akronfo ne do osuwom na mo ba be ye den mo ya update bi e wo mo constitution na mo constitution na mo ya update wo mu no mo call relaunch constitution no. Why don't you spend time and how many Ghana for the name say NPP for mo manifesto ma koye some amendment to manifesto na amendment na mo ye no dia nobody even knows. Nobody even knows. Sa amendment na mo constitution. Nobody knows. But you see, the general secretary of the party, no, he's not even worried about people not knowing the party's constitution. His own party foot soldiers, the grass cutters, they've not even taken the time to explain to the grass cutters to say, constitution ya the ensaka in such a way say ebe favor Bawumia. Omo person mo beka ho asemo because omo nim say so omo delve into the constitution omo amend no omo amend it to favor Bawumia na eye amanfo bekasa constitution no omo nim so omo de omo saka to favor Bawumia na grass cutters no dodo ni nko school omo jiminti. They have decided not to speak on the constitution of amend no, but rather they are speaking on judges living in fear. Judge Ben Abeka just osuru say Pandai seat no some we need legitimately. Why are you scared to go back to Pandai? Pandai sitting there no. Some candidate no na on the debut to Facebook no your Facebook. Akwa we di parliament 1 year penny yemu shishini so be kofie. Loan na wakoji nyina no. Na na adwene so betu 4 years etua. Pandai MP no, they say the 2 minutes be on Facebook Live. My people, you know, we will win. If say, hey, Jimmy, the young shishene so be lose seat, no. Sa Pandai seat, munim samu win legitimately. Why are you even worried about going for a rerun at Pandai? Easy. Musumuli deal with 3,000 votes. Oh, how on saying? Judge Bernard Ghana, Wabakacho say they are panicking about something. Judge Yotina, African Michael Jackson case is panic bedroom. Crojing. The NPP as a political party, no, some followers now here they now amend the constitution, say relaunch constitution. Here see grass cutters now call sa event no here you grass cutter we call her now event na senior here.
One wakano. By the extra Ghana for say Ghana for your mistake. I got to about NDC bar and be and koso. Open the Siakura Wunya. Yati the opposite. But constitution now one amended. Dear to more amended constitution. Yeah, they did 2028 power. Yeah, back power 2028. And it's not more amended. Yeah, but go see about Kunuma Musa. Minuanum, power 2020. Then I'm it must some answer question. Oh, dear, if you say, yeah, I'm not pursuing. Oh, only dear, yeah, Juma, because Usha, and then oh, dear, I'm the constitution. Yeah, they did 2028 power, yeah, back power 20. By the extra Ghana for say Ghana for your mistake. I got to about NDC bar and be and koso. Open the Siakura Wunya. Yati the opposite. But constitution now one amended. Dear to more amended constitution. Yeah, they did 2028 power. Yeah, back power 2028. And it's not more amended. Yeah, but go see about Kunuma Musa. Minuanum, power 2020. Then I'm it must some answer question. Oh, dear, if you say, yeah, I'm not pursuing. Oh, only dear, yeah, Juma, because Usha, and then oh, dear, I'm wine.
And Krantia will go TikTok no. Omakoye constitutional amendment womb. Onwa Krantia we. A Krantia was a Rasta man. So want to be a part of it here. Jimmy, the General Secretary spent time speaking on unnecessary things. Yacha Krantia ba say amendment na ma amending the constitution amendment na mo ye na dia. Ya kat omo di sen Krantia omo we bancha haban. Na watam to me aman Krantia we. Rasta osaya Krantia. Rasta osaya Krantia. Yabusan say Oba party head office. Muslim amend the constitution. Mona Muslim be NPP university. Constitution amend the amend wom. You need power. We Jimmy. The general secretary in Samaoka. What has this got to do with the constitution of the party? They are more launching party constitution, relaunching. They ne ka efahon. Ever seen the what is the NPP? Mumusa NPP for in Krantie we say mo constitution they ne dey nsaka wom. Omunim. And you know the funny thing? Deliberate. At the end of the yellow constitution, no, it is to favor Bawumia on a summary. And nitina, one para, core constitution, say, Omakoya amendment, no, Omama radio, so anka, Otis Oma grant interview, Bia or TV, so the radio, so say, your constitution, we did amendment. This is what we did, this page. They didn't do it. Because majority of Inkranteno, they can't read. You cannot go and amend NDC constitution and say the NDC Awunanino, NDC Asantinino, NDC Infantinino, NDC Sremunino, NDC Bununino, NDC Nina Ofri Krobono, NDC Nina Oya Frafrenino will not read and ask you questions. What about them? That is the difference between the NDC and the NPP. NPP for ne Jimmy. En Kwarano Mudi Omuchino. Free SHS en Kwarana, Omenchana, Omenim Utmu Obapana, it's what they for sending. Kwasiafo omo fin NPP utumu omo fin. Their level of thinking is so low. Party amendment, a whole amendment in the party's constitution. Where would the party let you know? Ukrampo nim say sa amendment ebia ochinano it will not allow you to contest for a position. Ebia sa amendment ne krampo no as it stands no, you are not even a member of the party. You people don't ask questions. You are not asking your leadership. Amendment na dia na mo ye. Yenye party na mo amendment. They are not doing any education on it. They are not calling the rats and the grass cutters and the rascals to sit them down to break it down to them. No. Nkrantie we say and a judge for ebu yem hihye omo and entiase and a jimmy way. Judges now live in fear and sometimes in panic. They give certain judgment. Judges live in fear. Near to Kromha. Near to Kromha. Ye would ye Akufo Addo edit judges here or Ghana. Near to Kromha. Ye would ye Akufo Addo the judges here or Ghana. Near to Ghana. You see, and I keep telling them, they don't educate them. Party no, I just say bofrom kwan is siwo. Ya wo wa ni asabi egu hwinim no adane kwasea. NPP no. NPP as a political party, I say bofrom kwan. I say otwe binim kwan ene si mfimfin ho. Ya wo nge ni aso kakran. On say ye to akwara din a se bia di nsuo bo ketrema so. Ni aka say nsuo ensan o omo de no e yo otwe bini ni da se o ketrema so. Omo nyini a omo so a omo nyini, omo jimi, omo nyina omo bodam. NPP omusa omo jimi omo nyina no mabodam enti omo ya wo omo nyi ne de otwe binim kwan aso omo ketrema so jimi ote party ma ya a whole constitution amendment. You as a young man, as a young lady, you are not asking the constitutional amendment, is it going to affect me being a member of this Ingrantier group? No, you are on TikTok. Why when in Basa say or China say Yantiasia and Abano and NDC kwasia party won't count. Party na ultimi krampo ya ye party no Holy Grail Bible na ebo party no by no ya system man favor Bawumia a favor Samere a favor Kromfo what wo at TikTok ya utu fin se opro e ka se open to me na o party ultimi no unim constitution open to me they not to me be. A whole general secretary could not go around the media to take page by page. This is why we did amendment. The reason why we did amendment is this reason. If you want to join the NPP, the reason to also join the NPP ni, I could enter your amendment, no, send a favor. Waiting a year, Oman yo, because in Crantiana Dawson, Omu ya woman yen pet, yes, a prerogative mouse, or Chimbinias or so, also with Jimmy Onina no about them. Ochiramu mo TikTok and Crantiana, because I'm party amendment of constitution. Ede na omo ye omo nim kwasi afo na mo so omo so na mo te Ghana na wemu as otchere atachem omanum kanka kasa tan as otchere atachem as otchere atachem we na wait radio se kan kwase asam omanum tan kasa jen tan we party no die chire no constitution onimo de onima ne say yabo wudi de afro do gina bola so onyamina na wa butendira onam was Tanzania national flag the nam ho as a Tanzania for national flag. And otchere atachem where's that Tanzania for national flag otchere atachem wey and obenyina nyanse di party echi adaya ya tonyom inti yamra power omusa omo jimi omunyina no mabodam we mu Tanzania national flag we apoto na yesoso nkwasiafo we so. They are sure pastor than as more focus than I left in him. I focus him. Fork here did bakush ebishim. And I say glass no ne hand the hand I own say oh glass and has no. I think say I have a question and I could go to them because to be on antimentias I than as more focus and name fork ye did I own say Asante fork here ogia na kwanka credit did watch it a bishop and I left him because he be on antino as a focus and name. Oh my God, I'm right here when I'm in the bed. Oh, boy, damn. Yes, you know, Moja focus on us. I done as a one name focus him. way. For question the name was at Atechem. Also, what to you to go the party. Mommy and Queen. Maybe I may try be I imbrabi me the soccer. I say brand TV Kevin Taylor beam re. Obody the crab bre, one gas obody na bre. Body na bre, Usha body na bre, ye new soon bodao, and so still a bre. O 9 left is at the focus. O Shamoka as what at him, and Quasiasm, Omonum Casa tan. And who stadium so nipa phone guanum go party. Me who be an one fair. Just what to whether who chat me who be. The tin swa, ne nanya, ne conwa, nano fia, nanonya fia, the name of fu. Just o man say nine. Ida so etia, nenim kusu, and also a funk I say gabby. And I said ne nanya, and just a party of the Pesameka. And these are all people who almost almost 20 pounds no mu dini patem hwa no Dompreh kwasia we na endo gina ho Mahama ye Gyamfi hwa no Dompreh o repu obi kura onje akwara no na nkwasiafo we o ka bi kiroma no mo dwa we didi panyufo atem hwe na we panyini na we jimi a hwe Keti Hammond wa hwe Keti Hammond enem kan say party we no se amane exist kura na ye ne nkasa Nyankopon betia ye ne ye jimi as a nation. If we allow the NPP to exist after 2028, na ye nene ye Jimmy, ye nim nyame. NPP. See, ma NPP exist after 2028. Na ye nyankasa no onyame be kunya to atwene. NPP. We mu ye nipa. Nkofo we omutumi order pizza ewo UK. Omutumi order pizza ewo UK from Flagstaff House. Anopa 8. Na pizza joint no ebie 9 a.m. Ewo UK. Omo order the night before. Plane no more to plane a cover pizza dia ba Jubilee House abedidi. Kwase fo we. Sango fo we. Jankromane ni wi fo we. Miki me oba Ghana. Na ngofo mu ni mu ngofo we amuru afi. Intano bi to say na nsa na hu say omo ye interviews. Adenti na Akufo Addo free power. Akufo Addo free power. No journalist in Ghana has been able to interview Akufo Addo. Adentira. Enkwasiasa ye komu nyina ye Akufo Addo ne koso ye ode Bawumia. Ken Ofori Atta nkwasiasa ma ye ka nyina adentina Bawumia kan a word. Kwasiafo we na mudi omudi. Enkwasiafo we me say Adine Akufo Addo for a whole year, almost a year, on granting any interview any media house in Ghana. Ask yourself why. Adentina the media, John Mahama at a point opened his door and showed his bank accounts to the media. John Mahama, he made the media come to the 3 stupid dogs. Obi, Omahin Kwabena Agyapong kwasiam baby. Elect Obi a palm of mube run fie. Kwabena Agyapong the two fifty. John Mahama manakonya mani tinemu ni fie. Akufo Addo free power 1 year. Na Akufo Addo grant interview biya. Onim say NPP fu Jimmy. He knows he does not even want to answer SML. He does not want to answer galamsey. He does not want to answer Ken Ofori Atta. He does not want to answer election killings. He does not want to answer GDP. He does not want to answer inflation. Nana do dan Akufo Addo oya Joe. Agove we no na nam Ghana na moso so Akufo Addo de nyame ehira no. Na hwana otwe ehira no. The guy is mentally unstable. The same as Bawumia and Kennedy Agyapong. Omunyanya correct. So as a nation no na ya sorry na asa tamekuro no e de amomo. Ni aboda mana. Me say for a whole year, Akufo Addo to me availing who said the media should come. Nana do dan Akufo Addo in 2014, 15, 16. Or you bypass in Kwa 2. Nana Akufo Addo, even that time, he was calling the media to come to him. Akufo Addo bypass 2. When he was dying, he was calling the media. At a point, Akufo Addo kasana hindo free numuba. Still, the media, he was calling them. Nana do dan Akufo Addo in 2020. He went in 2016. He went to Kwame Sefakai's Peace FM to go sit there for like 3 hours. Omra debate or the show Akotena Peace FM or the Kekan Kwasiasem, the Arab Spring, and the Akufo Addo is scared of the mic. Why? And he gets people in Ghana telling me, say, Akufo Addo is somebody, Bawumia. Why is he not availing himself for an interview? Akufo Addo, you're crown 4. So what's so demand is here? Ombe kanchire, he should come on national television and tell us, say, Ken Ofori Atta, you are my relative. I gave you the job. Come to Ghana. He can't do it because Akufo Addo is equally as guilty as Ken Ofori Atta. And you fool criminals na yen santam Ghana mabawo. Na Bawumia can even decide when he wants to have a kid. So Bawumia, so now a man enough, he would have had kids more earlier than the kids he have. Yeah, he cannot decide for himself when he wants to have kids. And it's not one no. So he's not man enough to lead. So a person who say Obi is not man enough, and your majority of the time. But with Bawumia no, share ne mano age na Bawumia age. You will know, say, he cannot even decide when he wants to have kids. He does not have control over his decisions. And when you give birth at a certain age, a man could yet to say a baby. So these are some of the things that happen. So a man who is indecisive like that, a man who cannot sit, Kennedy Agyapong, or start to was a preco and no, because on can or show baby or not a man, or say for Jimmy Court, or what is all change. These are people with no credibility, no integrity. They don't respect anybody. Huh? Bawumia age na my age. Yen na nka say my age Bawumia age. Hwene age na my age. Ontumi nka say me pesa me wo. Oba na kire no yifrim, twifrim. Wo be gu he. Oba na kire no. Oso wayo kwasiafo another Dompreh say Mahama eye odwamfuru na mosre. Me de wam kakra na mubuofu me boa. Bawumia butu so ese twifrim oso wayo sanukade na kajia. Ontumi nya control say we de ye wo. Eche samre na decide. Eni na ne marketing kete onhwa akora mane ndu Jesus da. Na mentam Ghana nhaba Bawumia nsem why? Nhaba Bawumia mon kan say Anno Dompreh na me ye we. Yeah. Mon kan Bawumia say so mo te say me kasa say about him it is because of Anno Dompreh. Me to wana menka bibia Anno Dompreh na kodi di Mahama atem into ono so me di Anno Dompreh atem me di Bawumia me de reply Bawumia. Udu Bawumia fia na say ono na yire da I say dance hall pull up on to me fangum yeah pull out hey pull out they be pull out Bawumia me so ko Bawumia no na yire da ofia I say dance hall your boy dance hall ofia pull out hey pull out they be pull out is own marketing get it we nya confidence in engine pull out hey nigga pull out they be pull out Masa Manchester boy one wow do betin na uti beti me say o twem Bawumia fie ho Anno Dompreh na me ye de me ye me pese obi beka se Kevin Taylor didi Bawumia atem na ma kire dipa ne bibi Anno Dompreh tra any day bia meti se obi didi Mahama atem bia no me didi nipa na atem me de beko Bawumia so yeah saa na e be no yes firewall enie me say o twem Bawumia fie a first na wo friend pull up e area ho baby na mo te no na yiri to say pull out yeah do Bawumia peba that time no o ma ware ache o peba o ba say but Sammy hey pull out but pull out on to me only confidence in kasa me pesa me wouldn't yeah me pesa me ba nyini ntam on to me nya ntide bia pull out Bawumia pull out pull out Bawumia pull out all right me nye show no me problem bia me nye show no all right now me so for afre me my name pastor sorry me so for aka bibia chem se me njai wo de me sate fufura Ada metis obi didi Mahama tembiano. I'll come back. Because the kudienti American is because of this. Hey, but the enemy bibia mema reason into moko amonko bonchiro almost Kevin Taylor say. Me besa moko kache NPP for say. Omo mudi Bawumia chini say. Ada metis obi aboba Mahama di on campaign mu or support Bawumia or attack Bawumia. Kwasiafo Moje se first day jam na mu jimi mu ho a yanka hwe no me say video wenti na me ka je say Bawumia he is not a man enough pull up onne na be yere kura da ntina ne masusu ano pull up Bawumia
na sabio odwanfunu and then odwanfunu odi ni musa ba be winia ba be ye mampani odwanfunu se yewura Mahama ebe ye mampani Esign koye, esign baya. Mijina jitie so, or wufu sorry and it's Jimmy in the so. Catch some of the Gigi and Akasa. Sir Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, Wababa Bayamba Penny Abediachre, Obasia Ababa Nordin in the Musa Babewinia Babayam Penny. Abio Ojanfunu. And then Ojanfunu in the Musa Babewinia Babayam Penny. Ojanfunu. Sir Yura Mahama, Ebeyam Mampeni, a sign coye, a sign buyer. Mijina jitia so or wufu sorry.
Kwasia form guo, Bawumia to Samia Ukuti, Akosia menu to ho. Akosia menu Mahama betuma wono, Akosia menu. Then say bini. Samia Wuku Jimmy, but na enele we sikas or train. Omunina go, Obu Bomu Seme Omo de Bawumia to obi. Me say obi obedi Mahama tem bia medi Bawumia tem. I am setting the record straight today. And me de be ya chemo de no. Me send this warning to Bawumia on na yere Samere. Any person bi obedi ne chibe campaign amana edi Mahama tem, I will send it to on na yere no. And it's now Bawumia ono yere dawa. You cannot decide when to have a kid. I don't want to go to your kids status and they hear me. But there's a reason why because we need that confidence as a man to even decide when you want to deliver, when you want to impregnate this your Wi-Fi. So how Wi-Fi will do it? You don't even have the confidence to impregnate the Wi-Fi. Into the be a pull up, yo pull out, yo. Would you pull out by 7 years and sana obewu. Kwasiato inkwasiafo we do chika ojanfunu. You cannot talk to them. You cannot sit them down and say this is politics. Don't do that. Muye mpenifo. No man kwasiafo didi Mahama tem na woto why we tise bongris and I woto kan kwasiasem. Any day anybody insults Mahama, I will insult you, Bawumia. Any day anybody insult Lordina, I will insult Samere. That is my contract with you people. If you don't want that to happen, Samere, anyway you tell your people. One can't say you can do your politics without touching Mahama's name. You can do your politics without disrespecting Mahama. If nobody disrespects Mahama, I will not disrespect anybody. But as far as Monkwasi Afo Nkranfo we say, Nkrante we say, Omba disrespect it, Omba disrespect it, Mahamadino. I will disrespect you to the core. And me, I can be dirtier than them. Me I call. Me say I am Mahama's firewall. Me catch them. I am the firewall of John Dramani Mahama. And I am telling you where you pull up, where you one is Samere. It is a warning to you. I am actually sending you a warning. You have barely a month, another 2 months to go for your primaries. Mujimi amene tantan Mubokeles amene tantan. For a reason, campaign I want to give you people the room to do your own politics, to do your own campaign. It's a must almost a month. Menka NPP primaries, menka Kennedy Agyapong, menka Bawumia menka any of your candidates mashada, because I want to give you the room to do your politics. Membeso be better be because Kevin Taylor can be my way or destructive way into me some politics. Now Bawumia when nyansa. Now utina is about grace one fan two unkwasi from do wechinifu. Sa akwabina na enim so otwe odan kwan mu no. Sa akwasi na enum kankan bi na ote Facebook no. Any day they will speak about John Mahama. I will come after you. And me, I can be daring. Me, I can be crazy daring. Me tuma manaye tayama wono yire. Me tuma manaye tantayama wono yire Samira. It's a warning. Talk to your grass cutters. Every one of them should stay away from the president. Obianko any campaign, Momo Biamba Mahama Dimbo. Mahama on beso be NPP flag bearer. Omedi Bawumia atem. Ondi Samere Wi-Fi atem. Ondi Obi atem. So nobody should mention his name in your campaign. I swear to God, if you, Bawumia, the piglets following you, they there. I'm telling you, the shit we have in our hand, out of respect in Tinyanka Bibia. And this more per se ya do money far. Nobody should bring Mahama in your campaign. Catcher and Kwasia from do which say when they mount stage, they should campaign for you. John Mahama is the president of the Republic of Ghana. Media Maka, they also say bear mana or say obedi wichi officially akwaje Mike our campaigners no only the Mahama tem. Bawumia be no. May warn you. I'm warning you. I'm not sending this as I'm warning you. I am warning you. It's a warning. They also on Tiasia, on Denenje. They also on Tiasia Ghana, and you should dare me and see. I am warning you, Bawumia no yere. Talk to the piglets behind you. We respect our president. Say general elections, and also become president. I get it. You are contesting the general elections, but our party primaries, John Mahama on your primaries, nibi. John Mahama on guta NPP card. John Mahama on Bobi Adi. If you're a fool and you think you can use John Mahama to as silly boys as Anno Dompreh Campaign or Wa on you na. Now, what could do crossing unya message and fan counter Kennedy Agyapong. Now, I just say Mahamadu Bawumia Campaign. Remember, na time I wanna hear no. You can say somebody can disrespect somebody. Me, I can disrespect to the core. And you can say somebody can respect. I can respect to the core. I know what I am doing. Into West Stadia almost a month. But I'm sending this warning to you people. Mo party no, makacha meguno. I will nullify the party. And Bawumia, ebebua wankasa. Abronye Jimmy a okoshe de chair order hu Jimmy no. Me de o de ba John Mahama side a mentwema o. Me o de ba John Mahama side a ebeye wo time. Inti do so e be ma na opɛ Bawumia asɛm na odi Bawumia chi no bo John Mahama din wo campaign ase. Wasiafo.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.